In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on app protection on Samsung. So the essence of the app protection on your Samsung Galaxy device is to check whether your Samsung phone installed the malware application, most especially if you do not turn on auto blocker. So if your auto blocker is turned on, then you stand a chance of not having any application installed on your Samsung device if it is not directly from the Samsung store or app store. So if you are struggling to turn on app protection on your Samsung Galaxy device, here's a video for you. So, if you're done with this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the settings application on your Samsung. Then you want to scroll down until you get to security and privacy. So this is for Samsung One UI 6.1. So if your Samsung is using One UI 6.1, then you're probably going to see security and privacy or biometrics and privacy. So this varies. So in this case, just click on security and privacy. And once you selected that, locate app security and then click on that. Literally you're going to see whether if there is a threat found on your device or not. And you can see there's no threat found on my device. Go ahead and click on app security. Here there are two options available here. The first one is app protection and the second one is Google Play Protect. Now to enable app protection on your Samsung Galaxy device, all you need to do is click on app protection. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to scan your Samsung Galaxy device for any possible malware or attack on your device. So this might take a couple of seconds, and if there's any malware or suspicious application detected while scanning using the app protection on your Samsung Galaxy device, you'll be prompted to uninstall this application, or you'll be pointed at this application that this application is not good enough to be run on your device. However, to turn on the app protection on your Samsung Galaxy device, all you need to do is click on the three dots at top right like this, and then click on app protection settings. Here you can see I have the app protection settings turned on here. So with this turned on, this implies that Samsung Galaxy app protection is turned on, but if you turn off this, the Samsung Galaxy app protection will be turned off. You can see the app protection is now turned off in my own case. Now if this is what you have in your own case, to turn on this app protection, all you just need to do is go ahead and tap turn on, and there you go. Then you're gonna come to this three dots again, click on app protection settings. Make sure you turn on auto scan app delete and auto scan while installing application. So with these three features turned on, the app protection settings on your Samsung Galaxy device is successfully enabled. So this is how you can easily turn on app protection on Samsung phone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.